from October 1st, pay more GST. Why? Why from October 1st you are required to pay more GST? Kindly refer the latest circular 142 dated October 9, 2020. I will not discuss circular here, but the circular is saying that now you can claim GST input up to 110% of appearing in GSTR 2A. So if my input which I used to claim earlier as per my books, I cannot claim that. I have to follow my GSTR 2A and the maximum amount I can claim is 110% which is appearing in GSTR 2A. So what is the problem? The problem is that your GST input will not appear in your GSTR 2A. And what is the reason? I have given you few reasons. There may be more reasons practically, but these are the major three reasons. Vendor is not compliant. My vendor don't care to file his GST return on time for a number of reasons. Vendor opted for quarterly return. This is one of the most blunder government has done. On the one hand, they are asking to claim input credit as per GSTR 2A. On the other hand, they are asking vendor to go for quarterly return. So how input will appear in GSTR 2A if my vendor will not file GST return? The small vendor who had opted for the quarterly return, they have to they have to file GSTR 3B and they have to pay taxes. But I will not get that input credit. Even though I have paid to my vendor has paid to the government, but I will not get my GST input credit on time. And the third one is again a very common one is a timing difference. What is timing difference? That your vendor raised invoice in the month of January and you book the invoices in the month of February or March and you want to claim credit in that month only. Because before that you don't know that there is an invoice and there you have to claim GST input credit. How do you know? So because of this reason, there will be a mismatch. There will be a shortfall in your GSTR 2 every month and you have no choice. Your input credit is restricted. There is no tool, not a single GST tool who can reconcile 100% input of GSTR 2 with books. There is no tool. They can come with what you call all fancy, what you call demo, but practically, if you can ask any of the user, they said no, we have to still work on that, and whatever data accuracy is 80%, 90%, there is no 100%. So what will happen? So what? So the result is that from October 1st, you left with no choice but to pay more GST. This is a gift, COVID gift, I can say that, from government to all the business people in India from October 1st, pay more GST. Thank you.